Welcome to this online workshop on using the contract module in Floriday. With the contract module in Floriday, you can manage long-term agreements and easily place standing orders based on the contract agreement. Creating contracts and placing standing orders on contracts can be done by both suppliers and buyers. I will now show you step by step how both parties work with contracts. Navigate to the menu and click on Agreements, then select Contracts. Here you'll find an overview screen where you can see all your contracts. To create a new contract, click on Add Contract. Start by entering the general contract information. When choosing a title, consider using the name of the end customer, the products included in the contract, or another useful name. Next, select the grower and verify that you've chosen the correct supplier's number. You can search using both the company name and the supplier's number in the search bar. Optionally, add an end customer, attachment, and specifications, and select the currency if that option is available to you. Click on Next Step to ensure you don't accidentally skip anything. Next, click on Add Trade Items. Use the search bar to quickly find and click on the trade items you want to add to this contract. Select the desired packaging per item, and when you're done, click Confirm. Next, set the planning. Choose the validity period of the contract and the expiry date. Then, choose whether you want to fill in the schedule weekly, monthly, or quarterly. In the next step, choose whether to work with pieces or packages. Then, you can fill in the number of pieces for each period, specify the price, and determine whether a margin is allowed for both. If you've added multiple items to the contract, you'll see the next item on the right side of the screen. If you want to fill in prices or number of pieces for multiple periods at once, check the periods you want to edit. At the bottom of the screen, a bar will appear where you can choose to fill in either number of pieces or prices. If these values apply to all items in the contract, there's a checkbox at the bottom of the pop-up window to apply these settings to all trade items. Save and finalize the contract and wait for the supplier's approval. Once the contract is approved, both the supplier and the buyer can place standing orders on the contract. To place a standing order, follow these steps. In the menu, click on Agreements and then Standing Orders. You are now in the Standing Orders overview. To create a standing order, click on New Standing Order. Select the contract on which you want to place a standing order. In this example, I'm not choosing the recently created contract, but one that has been ongoing. Verify the delivery information. If necessary, you can modify the delivery location, carrier, or delivery moment. Next, move to the trade items. If there's a price bandwidth agreed upon, you can choose prices within the range. Then, enter the number of packages. It's possible to choose a quantity outside the bandwidth, but this needs approval from the supplier. You can also choose standing orders to repeat automatically at specified intervals. Click on Repeat and specify how often the standing order should be placed by setting a frequency, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Choose the period and decide whether to use the prices as entered in the standing order or as entered in the contract. Using the 3 dots to the right of the line, you can add a sticker to the item. Click on Save and Finish to submit the standing order, and don't forget to fulfill the order after. I have now shown you how to create contracts and standing orders in Floriday. Good luck with using the contract module in Floriday, and thank you for watching this video.